Invoice Simple, the easiest tool to manage your invoicing needs. Whether you're a freelancer, contractor, small business owner, or just someone who wants to streamline their finances, Invoice Simple is here to make your life easier. So grab your coffee or tea, and let's dive into this step-by-step tutorial on how to use it like a pro. First things first, visit invoicing.com, a platform built specifically for creators, freelancers, and small business owners who need a straightforward way to manage invoicing without wasting precious time. It's tailored for people who want their invoices to look polished and professional. Here's the exciting part. You can try it out for free. Click the Try It Free button right on the homepage to begin. You can create an account using your email address, or for an even quicker setup, link your Google account. Registration is seamless, and within moments, you're ready to get started. After logging in, you'll be greeted with a clean, organized dashboard. The main menu gives you quick access to important sections such as Invoices, where you can create and manage invoices. Estimates, perfect for sending quotes to potential clients. Clients, a dedicated area to store client details. Items, keep track of products or services you frequently bill for. Reports, generate summaries of your invoicing history and revenue. Settings, customize your invoicing preferences, including payment methods and branding. The platform's design is intuitive, making navigation effortless even if you're new to online invoicing. Ready to get hands-on? Let's set up your first client. Now let's dive into the fun part, creating your very first invoice. It's easy and straightforward, so follow these simple steps. Once you're logged into your Invoice Simple dashboard, navigate to the Invoices section. This is where you'll manage all your invoices. Click the New Invoice button to start creating a new invoice. This will open up a customizable template with all the essential fields you need. Now it's time to add the specifics of your invoice. Invoice title. Start by giving your invoice a title. You can name it something like invoice number 001. You can get as creative or formal as you want here. This is where you'll input your business details. Add your business name, address, and contact number. You can even add your logo for a more professional touch. Here's where you'll select your client. If you've already added their information to your client list, their details will automatically populate. If not, you can easily add them manually. Date. Set the date of the invoice, the day you're issuing it. Additionally, set the due date for payment. If you want payment immediately, simply choose Due on Receipt. For longer-term projects, you can set the due date for a specific day or within 30/60/90 days. Next, you'll add the items or services you're billing for. Whether you're charging for hours worked, products sold, or a flat rate, simply type in the item name, description, quantity, and price. The platform automatically calculates totals and taxes for you. Adding items or services to your invoice is quick and straightforward. Give the item a clear name that reflects the service or product you're billing for, such as graphic design services if you're a designer, consulting session for advisory services, monthly maintenance package for recurring work. Then, set the rate for the service or product. For example, $100 per hour for a consulting session, $500 for a flat rate project, $20 per product unit. Input the quantity, such as 10 hours of consulting at $100 per hour, 25 units of a product at $20 each. The total amount will automatically calculate once you enter the rate and quantity, so you don't need to do any math manually. If you have multiple items or services, Repeat these steps until your invoice is complete. You can add as many items as needed to ensure your client has a clear breakdown of the charges. Making your invoice look polished and professional is important, and customizing it can make a big difference. At the top of the invoice template, you'll find an option to add your logo. Click on Upload Logo and select your business logo file. This will instantly personalize your invoice and help reinforce your brand identity. In the Settings section of your invoice, you'll find a drop-down menu for selecting the currency you're using for the transaction. Choose from options like USD, Euro, GBP, or others, depending on your location and the currency you're dealing with. If your services or products are taxable, enter the tax percentage or amount in the taxes field. If no taxes are applicable, just leave this section blank. In the Notes section, add a personal touch or any important information. Once you've customized all the details, review your invoice one last time. It should now look sleek, professional, and ready to send. Now that your invoice is ready to go, here's how to send it professionally and efficiently. At the top of the page, you'll find a few options to choose from. Preview the invoice to make sure everything looks correct. Record payment to log payments after they've been received. Download PDF to save a copy of the invoice to your device for your records. Email invoice to send it directly to your client. To email the invoice, click Email Invoice. The client's email address will autofill if you've entered it earlier. You can add a personal message like, "Hi, client name, I hope this email finds you well." Attached is your invoice for service/product name. Please let me know if you have any questions. This personal touch makes the email more professional. If your client prefers a different method, you can generate a shareable link. This link can be sent via text, WhatsApp, or even social media platforms. Your invoice includes an online payment option, making it simple for your client to view and pay securely with just one click. And that's it. Your invoice is sent, and you're one step closer to getting paid. Estimates are essentially pre-invoices, providing clients with a breakdown of anticipated costs before any final agreements are made. They give your clients a clear understanding of the potential charges and help set expectations. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating one. Begin by navigating to the Estimates section of your platform. Click the option for New Estimate to create a fresh document. Enter the necessary details, such as the client's name, the items or services being offered, individual rates, quantities, and any applicable taxes. Personalize the estimate further by including your company logo, adding professional notes, and any specific terms or conditions that apply. Once the estimate is finalized and looks good to go, you can easily email it to the client directly or download it in your preferred format for distribution. If the client approves the estimate, you can seamlessly convert it into a formal invoice with a single click, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. By using estimates, you provide transparency to your clients and streamline your invoicing process, ultimately making it easier for both you and your clients to move forward with a clear, agreed-upon budget. If your business offers recurring services or products, creating an item library can greatly streamline your invoicing and estimating process. An item library allows you to save time by storing frequently used products or services, so you don't have to manually input details each time you create a new invoice or estimate. Here's how you can set it up. Begin by navigating to the Items section in your platform. Once there, click on the New Item button to create a new entry in your library. Fill in the details for the item, such as the item name like hourly consultation or monthly web hosting, its rate, how much you charge for it, and the unit of measurement like per hour, per day, or per item. If applicable, you can also add any other details, such as tax rates or custom notes, to further define the item. After entering all the necessary information, save the item to your library. Once your item library is set up, the next time you need to create an invoice or estimate, you can simply select the relevant item from your library rather than typing out the details from scratch. This not only speeds up the process, but also ensures consistency in your pricing and descriptions. Whether you're invoicing for a one-time service or a recurring monthly charge, your item library saves you time, minimizes errors, and keeps your workflow efficient. Invoice Simple does more than just help you create and send invoices. It also provides powerful tools to help you manage your finances effectively. Whether you're a freelancer or running a small business, these features are designed to streamline your workflow and ensure you stay on top of your financials. Once a client makes a payment, you can easily mark an invoice as paid. If the payment is only partial, you can record the partial payment and update the remaining balance automatically. This helps you keep track of outstanding amounts and ensures your financial records are always up to date. Go to the Reports section, where you can access detailed insights into your business's financial health. You can view your revenue over specific periods, track unpaid invoices, see which clients owe you money, and get a summary of your top clients. This data helps you understand which areas of your business are performing well and where you may need to make adjustments. Some platforms also let you record your expenses, so you can track your profit margins. This feature helps you maintain a clear picture of your income versus expenses, making it easier to make informed financial decisions. These features not only simplify administrative tasks but also give you the insights you need to manage your business more efficiently, reduce late payments, and plan for future growth. With Invoice Simple, you can focus on what matters most, growing your business, while staying organized and in control of your finances. One of the best things about Invoice Simple is how easy it is to use. You don't need to have an accounting background or extensive technical skills to create invoices or estimates. The platform is intuitive, making it simple to navigate, even for those who are new to managing business finances. Invoice Simple helps you create polished, professional invoices every time. With a variety of clean, customizable templates, you can easily tailor your documents to match your brand style. Whether you're a freelancer or running a small business, these templates ensure that your invoices leave a positive impression on clients. It's great for automating routine tasks, like calculating totals, taxes, and even recurring billing. Once you've set up your templates and items, you can generate invoices in just a few clicks, saving you precious time that would otherwise be spent on manual calculations and formatting. Whether you're a freelancer juggling multiple clients, or a small business owner managing regular transactions, Invoice Simple is designed with you in mind. It helps you stay organized, track payments, and manage invoices without any hassle. With features specifically tailored for small-scale operations, it simplifies billing and frees up time for you to focus on your work or growing your business. These features combined make Invoice Simple an invaluable tool for anyone looking to streamline their invoicing process, maintain a professional image, and save time while managing their finances. From creating clients to sending professional invoices and tracking payments, this tool truly simplifies your work. No more wasting hours on invoicing. Instead, you can focus on growing your business and doing what you love.